Japan, a nation synonymous with cutting-edge technology and innovation, has once again captured global attention. This time, it's not about robots, electronics, or even anime, it's about transportation. Japan has unveiled a new generation of transport that is not just revolutionary but a complete game-changer. This breakthrough has left major global powers like China and the United States scrambling to catch up. So, what is this groundbreaking innovation, and why is it creating such a buzz? Sit tight because we're about to take a closer look at how Japan is rewriting the future of transportation. To understand the significance of Japan's new transport innovation, we first need to recognize its track record in this field. Japan has always been a pioneer in transportation. It was the birthplace of the Shinkansen, or bullet train, which made its debut in 1964 and has since become a global icon of speed, efficiency, and reliability. Over the decades, Japan has continued to innovate in rail, road, and even air transport. But this new project takes things to an entirely new level, challenging the technological might of both China and the United States. The centerpiece of this next-generation transport system is Japan's new maglev, or magnetic levitation train technology. Maglev technology has been around for a while, but Japan's version represents a quantum leap forward. Traditional trains rely on wheels and tracks, which create friction and limit speed. In contrast, maglev trains float on powerful magnetic fields, eliminating friction entirely. This allows for incredible speeds while ensuring a smoother and quieter ride. While maglev trains are not a new concept, Japan's innovation lies in pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The country's latest maglev trains are expected to reach speeds of up to 500 kilometers per hour, or 310 miles per hour, making them the fastest passenger trains in the world. This speed isn't just about setting records, it's about transforming how we live and work. Imagine being able to travel from Tokyo to Osaka, a distance of over 500 kilometers, in just 1 hour. For comparison, the same journey by car takes about 5 hours, and even the fastest Shinkansen takes 2.5 hours. This unprecedented speed could revolutionize daily commutes, making long-distance travel as convenient as a quick subway ride. It could also dramatically impact industries like logistics, tourism, and real estate, as cities become more interconnected than ever before. But Japan's new transport system isn't just about speed, it's also a masterclass in sustainability. At a time when the world is grappling with the environmental consequences of fossil fuel-based transportation, Japan's maglev trains offer a greener alternative. These trains are powered by electricity, much of which can come from renewable sources like solar, wind, or hydroelectric power. Moreover, the lack of physical contact between the train and the track reduces wear and tear, minimizing the need for frequent maintenance and resource-intensive repairs. The global implications of Japan's transport revolution are immense. For years, China has been seen as the dominant force in high-speed rail, boasting the largest network in the world, and trains capable of reaching 350 kilometers per hour. The United States, meanwhile, has struggled to modernize its aging rail infrastructure with no true high-speed rail system in operation. Japan's latest innovation not only reasserts its leadership in transport technology, but also raises the stakes for its competitors. Both China and the United States will need to up their game if they hope to keep pace with this new standard. The rollout of this new transport system hasn't been without its challenges, though. Developing and implementing maglev technology requires significant investment, both in terms of money and time. The infrastructure needed for maglev trains is vastly different from traditional rail systems, requiring specialized tracks, advanced power systems, and cutting-edge safety protocols. Despite these hurdles, Japan has demonstrated remarkable determination, pouring billions of dollars into research, development, and construction to bring this vision to life. Another aspect that sets Japan's new transport apart is its focus on passenger experience. These maglev trains are not just about getting from point A to point B as quickly as possible, they're about doing so in style and comfort. The interiors are designed with a focus on spaciousness, ergonomic seating, and advanced noise reduction technology, ensuring that passengers can relax and even work during their journey. Add to this a seamless ticketing system, with options for digital payment and real-time scheduling updates, and you have a transport experience that feels almost futuristic. The introduction of these trains is also expected to have a ripple effect on Japan's economy. Construction of the maglev system has already created thousands of jobs, from engineers and construction workers to project managers and urban planners. Once operational, the system is expected to boost tourism, attract international investment, and stimulate regional economies. This is particularly significant as Japan seeks to recover from the economic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic and position itself as a leader in the post-pandemic world. The sheer speed of these trains, capable of traveling at up to 500 kilometers per hour, is astonishing. But it's not just about speed. It's about redefining the very experience of travel. These trains challenge us to rethink the fundamental assumptions we have about what's possible in transportation. A journey that once took several hours can now be completed in a fraction of the time, creating opportunities for people to live farther from their workplaces, connect with distant regions more easily, and engage in new economic and cultural exchanges. This isn't just convenience, it's transformative, reshaping the way people plan their lives and businesses operate. Efficiency, too, takes on a new dimension with maglev technology. The elimination of physical contact between the train and the tracks, thanks to magnetic levitation, dramatically reduces wear and tear, making maintenance simpler and less frequent. This also means fewer delays, more reliable schedules, and an overall smoother operation. For passengers, this translates to a more predictable and stress-free travel experience. For operators, it means long-term cost savings and increased profitability, an essential factor for ensuring the sustainability of such ambitious projects. Sustainability is another key pillar of this initiative, and it's here that Japan truly sets itself apart. At a time when the world is grappling with the dire consequences of climate change, transportation remains one of the largest contributors to global greenhouse gas emissions. Japan's maglev trains offer a cleaner alternative, running on electricity that can be sourced from renewable energy. This focus on sustainability extends beyond environmental impact. The very design of these trains, with their reduced friction and energy-efficient systems, ensures that they consume less power while delivering unparalleled performance. As these trains become operational, their benefits will ripple across multiple sectors. For the tourism industry, the prospect of faster and more efficient travel will attract more visitors, both domestic and international. Iconic destinations that were once considered a bit too far for a day trip will now be easily accessible, boosting local economies and spreading the benefits of tourism more evenly across the country. For logistics and supply chains, maglev trains offer a faster and more reliable way to move goods, reducing delivery times and costs. Even industries like real estate stand to gain, as regions connected by high-speed rail become more desirable for businesses and residents alike. Japan's advancements in transportation also carry profound geopolitical implications. For decades, China has been the dominant force in high-speed rail, building the world's largest network and positioning itself as a global leader in infrastructure development. Meanwhile, the United States has struggled to modernize its aging transport systems, with little progress in the realm of high-speed rail. By introducing this new generation of maglev trains, Japan is not just asserting its technological prowess, it's sending a powerful message to the world. It's a statement of intent that says, "We are here to lead the future of transportation." This leadership is underscored by Japan's commitment to sharing its technology with the world. As other nations look to develop their own high-speed rail systems, Japan is well positioned to export its expertise, forging partnerships and opening up new markets. Countries like India, where high-speed rail is rapidly becoming a priority, could benefit immensely from Japan's advanced maglev technology. Such collaborations would not only solidify Japan's position as a global innovator but also foster international goodwill and economic ties. Yet the path to realizing this vision is not without its challenges. The infrastructure required for maglev trains is vastly different from that of traditional rail systems, necessitating significant investment and long-term planning. Building the specialized tracks, power systems, and safety mechanisms is no small feat, and the costs can be daunting. However, Japan has demonstrated an unwavering commitment to overcoming these obstacles, pouring billions of dollars into research, development, and construction. This determination, coupled with a strategic approach to scaling the technology, suggests that Japan is well prepared to navigate these challenges. The impact of Japan's maglev trains will extend far beyond its borders. Their introduction represents a paradigm shift in how the world views transportation, offering a blueprint for other countries to follow. By prioritizing speed, efficiency, and sustainability, Japan is setting a new benchmark for what's possible, inspiring other nations to think bigger and aim higher. The ripple effects of this innovation will likely be felt for decades, influencing everything from urban planning to global energy policy. In conclusion, Japan's new generation of maglev trains is not just a technological achievement, it's a transformative vision for the future of transportation. It challenges the status quo, raising the bar for what we expect from travel and transport systems. More importantly, it reaffirms Japan's role as a global leader in innovation, sending a clear message to competitors like China and the United States that the race for the future of transportation is far from over. As these trains begin to roll out, they won't just reshape Japan's landscape, they'll reshape how we think about connectivity, mobility, and the possibilities of human ingenuity. This is more than a breakthrough. It's the dawn of a new era in transportation, and the world is eager to see where this journey will take us.